Isn't the safety of your money and personal information the single most important thing you look for in a bank? In our increasingly digital world, that question is more vital than ever. The truth is, managing your finances online offers incredible convenience, but it also means dealing with a constant stream of new threats. Identity theft, data breaches, and sophisticated scams are unfortunately common, and they're always evolving. You need a financial institution that's not just reacting to threats, but actively anticipating them. That's why today, we're taking a look behind the curtain to show you how EverBank is working every day to protect your personal and financial data. You'll see that protecting your money isn't just a feature, it's a multi-layered commitment. It all starts with foundational security. EverBank uses a sophisticated, multi-layered approach. The first layer you should know about is strong encryption technology. Think of it as a secret code that scrambles your information, like your passwords and account numbers, while it travels across the internet. This makes it nearly impossible for unauthorized parties to intercept and read your data. They also practice account number masking, which helps conceal sensitive numbers even within their secure systems. The next critical layer is all about access control. That's where two-factor authentication, or 2FA, comes into play. This feature adds an extra layer of security beyond just your password. At times when their system detects a potential threat, you'll need both your password and a token or authentication code, usually sent to your phone, to log in. This significantly helps stop unauthorized access to your account, even if someone manages to steal your password. But EverBank doesn't stop there. They are proactive with fraud prevention and real-time monitoring. The bank continuously monitors data to detect fraud or any suspicious activity. If they notice anything out of the ordinary, they'll contact you immediately by phone, text, or email to confirm if a transaction is valid. This vigilance is a major defense against things like debit card fraud and unauthorized transfers. As a customer, you also get tools to empower your own security. By setting up custom account alerts, you can keep tabs on your account activity with real-time text and email notifications for everything from unusual spending to large withdrawals. And for an extra layer of defense against identity theft from stolen mail, enrolling in paperless statements securely moves your sensitive documents online. EverBank understands that in the world of banking, trust is everything. Their comprehensive security measures, from state-of-the-art encryption and mandatory two-factor authentication to constant fraud monitoring, are all designed to give you peace of mind so you can bank with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.